Starting around 27 July 2023, Smooth Love Elixir essentially is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33% in especially most recent 60 minutes, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP generally has an essentially all-out market cap of $68,057,541, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,585,401, which fundamentally is very critical. This truly makes extremely Smooth Love Elixir SLP kind of positioning at 305 in the digital money market in an essentially huge manner. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the sort of Smooth Love mixture cost expectation end of 2023. What will exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir especially be essentially worth in 2023 amazingly? Is especially Smooth Love mixture an especially wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023? Will SLP cost really outperform its unsurpassed high in an essentially significant manner? These most certainly are our kind of Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP''S' future in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2023. As per the in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost especially is supposed to sort of cross a kind of normal value level of $0.002, the normal least value worth of pretty Smooth Love Mixture, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to basically be $0.002. So will SLP cost certainly outperform its record-breaking high, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, SLP can basically arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.002, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. SLP Value Gauge July 2023, concerning July 2023. Really Smooth Love Mixture explicitly is supposed to all things considered, arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a greatest cost of $0.002, with the typical cost around $0.002. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation August 2023. The cost for sort of Smooth Love Elixir in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.002. Smooth Love Elixir Value Estimate September 2023. The normal cost of truly Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, could go to $0.002 toward the finish of September 2023. Which especially is genuinely critical. SLP could be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.002, with the truly least expected cost of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Estimate October 2023, for October 2023. The cost of pretty Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to for the most part arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.002 and a sort of least of $0.002, which by and large shows that this sort of makes kind of Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, truly positioning at 305 in the digital money market, which sort of is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation November 2023. Kind of Smooth Love Elixir cost basically is supposed to essentially reach between $0.002 to $0.002 in November 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of SLP for the November stays around $0.002. SLP Value Estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir generally is gauged to really be at around a truly least worth of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The especially Smooth Love Mixture value worth can by and large arrive at a limit of $0.002, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in USD. Smooth Love Elixir Past Value Examination, in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been truly diminished by 0.21%. In its kind of current worth, which for the most part is very huge. Assuming we analyze the especially current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down. Smooth love mixture for the most part is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, demonstrating the way that the sort of smooth love elixir value worth can essentially arrive at a really limit of $0.002, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in USD. Smooth love elixir past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been explicitly diminished by 0.21% in its ongoing worth in a fundamentally significant manner. The SLP in every practical sense is down to nearly 1.25% in the kind of most recent 7 days, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for kind of past, essentially couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in momentary in a genuinely huge manner. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 45.506%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.001 from its kind of current worth, or so they really thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a kind of good truly purchase and open door for truly fast interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 44.64%, and the value sort of circled from an especially least truly normal cost of $0.003 to sort of greatest most certainly normal cost of $0.003 in the genuinely beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love mixture most certainly is somewhere around 20.94%, with the genuinely greatest really normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around $0.002, and the genuinely least sort of typical cost of sort of was around $0.002 and especially beyond 4 months, or so they in every practical sense thought. Smooth love mixture value figure 2023 facts. What will really be somewhat smooth love elixir pretty worth in 2023? In an all things considered, large way, the SLP cost truly is estimated to generally arrive at a greatest degree of $0.002 within every practical sense, least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023, showing that the 90 days cost change for the most part is near 44.64%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a kind of least genuinely normal cost of $0.003 to truly most extreme exceptionally normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive way. Accomplishes in every practical sense, smooth love elixir have a future, or so they explicitly thought. As far as cost, especially smooth love mixture fundamentally has an